Hello everyone, I will be sharing with you how to get this glamorous eye makeup look. It is suitable on max attires. It is very easy and beginner friendly tutorial. If you're interested in knowing how to get this step by step, please continue watching. I'm using this Europe Girl Paris palette and picking brown eyeshadow for my outer V. I'm using Sigma E33 brush. Hold the brush very lightly. Next I'm using black eyeshadow. To intensify my outer V, I am using black on top of brown. Intensity should be greater on your outer V. Next, apply same brown eyeshadow on your crease. I'm using a pencil brush from PAC. Hold the brush very lightly. I'm using these both foils. First, I'm packing golden foil on my eye mid. Use a very small flat brush. Push this towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. Next, on the remaining space, I am using the silver foil. Both the foils are very pigmented and very beautiful. It's worth buying. Push them towards each other to blend silver and golden. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. Outline your wing and fill it and pull a straight line joining mid. Now I'm creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye. Eye makeup looks very beautiful. Next, I'm coating kajal. This one is from Rennie. Now I'm applying brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Use black here towards your outer lash line only, lower lash line. Use this shimmery white eyeshadow to highlight your brow bone. Next I'm using Hilary Rhoda mascara to intensify my eyelashes. When coating mascara on your lower lashes, hold the wand vertically. Use wand tip to not mess. And this is the final look. If you like this tutorial, please consider subscribing my channel for more such videos. If you have watched it till here, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your time.